So, what I'm doing here, people, is I'm laying my tiles in this linear drain. Now, I'm not going in there at the moment because I don't want to glue my linear drain in place just yet. So I stay away. I will be overhanging my tile, but I'll make sure I fill it when I take the strip drain out tomorrow morning, or linear drain. You choose what you want to call it. I call it linear or strip drain. Different parts of the world call it different things. Doesn't matter. You can call it late for breakfast if you want. What I'm making sure I don't do is go past my line, because I don't want to have it damp, because what I'm going to be doing is putting in my aluminium and it needs to be dry. So tomorrow I will fill that with glue that is a lot stiffer. I like it, people. I hope everyone is learning something. What I've done there is these I've already put them on a, wherever it is, I've already put them on a sanding block. I've cut them. I stuffed up one before, but you don't see that. I was just cutting it and it chipped, but then you just cut another one. I like I like putting my tiles together. I find it, well, I just like it better instead of a grout line. I buy those clips online, eBay, but you can get them from all sorts of different places. I think they cost, what do they cost? $30 a thousand? Yeah, something like that. $30 a thousand. You know, they're like cheap as chips. And they are the best thing since sliced bread. The thing is, don't bash your hand. Use a rubber hammer. Cool. I like it a lot. If you get a bit of glue squishing up, just push it close together, wipe it out, and then part it. I'm going to do the back of that strip drain tomorrow. I want to do my wall first. I know it's you know, like it's bang on level and all that jazz, but I will get a better finish if I do my wall and then adjust this to my wall to the right height, which will be cool. That'll be slightly sloping into the strip drain. It's all good to the feel, good to the touch. If you have any questions at all, or you want to say something, say it. Send me a message. Go, hey, yo, Chriso. You Wally. Nah. No need to be like that. What I'm trying to do, everyone, is teach you what I know. I know there's a few people out there that are benefiting already from my videos, and that's so neat to know that. Throw in a clip or two. No, it's a buzz. It's a real, I'm not an ego tripper. It's just neat that I know people are learning something. Which is pretty cool. Oh. I went and priced a job yesterday. And the bloke said to me, "Oh, Jesus, how come you're so dear?" I said, "Mate, I'm not too dear. It's just that you can't afford me." And he said, "Well, I've had a price that's half." And I said, "Well, if you want a cowboy, ring him up right now and get him." So I didn't even bother to carry on wasting my time to give him a quote. He's better off getting the cowboy and then whinge. You know, this bathroom was waterproofed by a cowboy. You could hear when I walked in, you could hear the horse neighing, neigh, because it was terrible. Anyway, I'll come back to you shortly. See where when you have a skinny piece like this, it will fall, so you give it more glue. To help prop it up. But I don't want it to squish out. And hopefully this will help hold it a bit too. Oh, I like it. A lot of times when you feel with these suckers, it's better than your eyes in things like this, you know, that thumb. When you feel like that, it's better, more accurate than your eyes. Push that along a little. Lovely. Give it a bit more glue. Not too much that it's squishing out everywhere. God, I hate that. See that chip? Well, when I saw that, I thought, oh, no, that's all right. It'll cover. A sigh of relief. A DIY, you could have a sponge and a bucket of water. Wouldn't go astray. I've got shorts. Good. Nice. That all feels nice. Nice to the touch, so it's nice to the feet. We'll see you soon. In a minute, because I'll go out cut my aluminium, and I'll show you how I put in this water stop. See you in a minute. Yo!